As a side job, or rather my hobby, I work in a brown café, a traditional Amsterdam bar. It's folkloric Dutch, with a dark wooden interior, low prices, a no phone call policy. We serve local Genever and make sure every glass has an elegant meniscus, our Amsterdam Piketanusie. It is a place where locals meet, flirt, argue, drink, without filters, without bots, without hashtags. The walls are stained with nicotine, the wood is dark and scratched. The drinks are cheap, the food is simply tasty. I hang some of my tech noir wall candies in this brown bar as a gesture to the dear guests. It's raw, honest and imperfect. Here we carve our own textures, far from monoculture sameness. This cafe and my artworks share that instinct. To stay alive, to resist the upgrade, to stay autonomous. It is my honor to serve here. Analog, from human to human.